The last part of makharijul haruf is nose. Okay, but the last part of makharijul haruf is nose. But remember that there is no single letter which is pronounced from the nose, but there is a condition, because the letters which have this specific condition will pronounce from the nose, and that condition is known as Ghunnah. Okay, Ghunnah means when the sound goes into your nose. Okay, what is the definition of Ghunnah? Whenever during our recitation the sound goes in our nose, it means we are performing the rule which is known as Ghunnah, and that Ghunnah is applied only on two specific letters: the letter Meem Mushaddadah and the letter Noon Mushaddadah. Because these both letters, Meem and Noon, we have already learned in our previous lectures. But when the condition which is known as Mushaddadah comes on these letters, then we have to perform the Ghunnah on what? Meem Mushaddadah and Noon Mushaddadah. I can give you the example of both of these letters. First of all, I will give you an example of Noon Mushaddadah. In Surah Wan Nas, the last surah of Quran, we recite it like قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Here you can see the ba is making the connection with the Noon Mushaddadah. That's why I am performing the Ghunnah on this word. And when I recite this word, I feel the sound is going in my nose. How? قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ بِالنَّاسِ مَلِكِ النَّاسِ. Here the kaf is making the connection with the noon. Now move to the Meem Mushaddadah, the example of Surah Naba, which is the first surah of 30 para. Okay, how can we pronounce Amma yatasaalun? Amma. Here the Ain Fatha making the connection with the Meem Mushaddadah, then the Ghunnah is performing. How? Amma. Here put the finger on your nose and feel the sound Amma. If the sound is going in your nose, it means you are performing the right rule that is known as Ghunnah. So basically, there are two letters, Meem Mushaddadah and Noon Mushaddadah. This is the condition, and this condition is applied on our nose. That is known as Ghunnah.